Now we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 11th question. Here what the question says here, 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest, 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of the river. Find the total number of deer. Here you need to calculate how many numbers of deer are there, and here they have given the description about the deer. Here let us consider the number of deer as x. We don't know how many deer are there. Let us consider it as x. And here they said that 1/4 of the herd of deer has gone to forest. That means here this is the total number of deer are x. In that 1/4 went to the forest. That means how many went to the forest, which is 1/4 of the x. So here x by 4 of the deer went to the forest, and after that 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field, and 1/3 of the deer is grazing the field. So here how many, which is x by 3, and after that what they have given here, 15 are drinking water and remaining 15 deer are drinking water. So here if you add that 15 also, you will get the total number of deer. Now based on this you need to calculate the value of the x. So here again what the question given here, you need to calculate here the number of the deer, and let us consider the number of deer as x. In that x, 1/4 went to the forest. So here that means x by 4 went to the forest, and after that 1/3 remaining 1/3 went for grazing a field. So here x by 3, and remaining 15 are drinking water. That means if you add these three values, you will get the total number of deer. That's why we have written like this. Now you need to find the value of the x. So here let us take all the variables to one side. So what you will get here, 15 is equal to x minus, if you take this value to the side it will become minus, and here also it will become minus. So you will get here x minus x by 4 minus x by 3. Now you need to take the LCM of 4 and 3. What is the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. So write it here, 15 is equal to, so what you get here, 15 is equal to, what is the LCM here, which is 12. So you know that in one table you will get 12, which is 12x, and after that here how much you will get, 4 3s are 12. So here you need to multiply here with 3, write it here 3x minus, in 3 table when you will get 12, 4, so here multiply with 4, you will get here 4x. Now here solve this one, what will get, 15 is equal to, what is the value of 3 plus 4, which is 7, and 12 minus 7, which gives you 5x by 12. Now take this 12 to this side, it will become multiplication. You will get 15 into 12 is equal to 5x. So what is the value of x, which is 15 into 12 divided by 5. So here 5 ones, 5 3's will get cancelled. You will get x is equal to 12 into 3, which gives you 36. So this is the number of deer present. So here what is given, you don't know how many number of deer are there. Let us consider it as yes, and they said that 1/4 went to the forest and 1/3 went for grazing, and remaining 15 are drinking water. So if you add all these, you will get the total number of deer. Now after solving you got it here, the value of x, which is nothing but the number of deer. Now write the solution. Let the number of deer is equal to x. So according to the problem, how you got the number of deer? Just you need to add the number of deer went to the forest, and the number of deer went for grazing, and the number of deer are drinking water. So if you add all these, you will get the total number of deer. Now here take all the x values to one side, you will get x minus x by 4 minus x by 3 is equal to 15. So what you get here, 12x minus 3x minus 4x by 12 is equal to 15. So here 5x by 12 is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 into 12 by 5. 5 3s are 15. So what is the value of x, which is 36. So write it here, the number of days is equal to 36. Like this you can find. Now see the 12th question. Here what is the 12th question given here? By selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. Here you need to find the cost price of the radio. They have given the selling price and they have given the gain. And you already know how to calculate the cost price if you have given the selling price and the gain. And here what is given? The selling price of the radio, it is given as 903. And here the gain, how much the gain? Even which is the 5%. And you need to calculate here the cost price. So here selling price of the radio. You don't know what is the cost price, but by selling that radio, he got here the 5% gain. Now based on that you need to calculate what is the cost price. So here let us consider the cost price as 100. You know this method, right? If the cost price, let us consider here a method. Let us consider the cost price as 100. Then what will be the selling price if you got 5% as gain? The selling price is nothing but 105. Right? Now here they have given the selling price, which is 903 rupees, and you need to calculate the cost price. So here you know that if like this, we don't know, let us consider it as X. We need to find the cost price of the radio. If like this anything will happen, just you need to cross multiply these values. So what you get here, X into 105 is equal to 903 into 100. So here you need to find the value of X. So take it here, 903 into 100 by 105. If you do the calculation, you will get the cost price of the radio. So here they have given the selling price and the gain, and you need to find the cost price. Let us consider the cost price as 100. Then what will be the selling price, which is 105, because here the gain they have given as 5. Similarly, if the selling price is 903, and what will be the cost price? Just do the cross multiplication so that you will get the cost price of the radio. How do you do this calculation? What you got it here, 903 into 100 by 105. So here, how do you do this calculation? Here you need to check in which table you will get divisible by any of these numbers. Here you can observe that in 5 table you will get 5 2s are 10, and similarly here 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. And here after that checking here 21 into 8, and you know that here it is divisible by 3. So here how much you will get here? 3 7s are 21, and here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And similarly after that here again it is divisible by 7, 7 4s are 28, and after that 7 3s are 21. So what are the numbers which is left over here? 43 into 20. So what is the value of 43 into 20, which gives you 860. This is the cost price of the radio. Like this you can do the calculation. Now write the problem here. Given that what they have given that the selling price of the radio is equal to how much they have given, which is 903, and they have given the gain percentage, how much it is given, 5%. So you need to calculate the cost price. What will be the cost price? You need to calculate. If write it here, if the cost price is 100, then what will be the selling price? Then the selling price is 105, since the gain is 5%. You don't know what is the cost price. So let us, if the cost price is X, then what is the selling price given here? Selling price they have given as 900. That is, write it here, the cost price and the selling price. If the selling price is 100, the cost price is 105, and you don't know what is the cost price, let us consider it as X, and they have given the selling price which is 903. Now you need to cross multiply these values so that what you get here, x is equal to 105 into x is equal to 903 into 100. Just cross multiply this one. X into 105 is equal to 100 into 903. So here, what is the value of x, which is 903 into 100 by 105. Just now we have calculated here, we got that value as 860. Okay. So here write it here. Therefore, the cost price of the radio is 960 rupees. 860 rupees. Like that you need to find if you have given the selling price and the grade. Now see the next question. Here this question is your homework. You can do it in the same way as we have done for the 13th question. Just I will explain here. What is the 13th question given here? Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu and then gives 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 sweets left. How many will he have started? That means you need to find the total number of sweets. So here let us consider the total number of sweets as x. So what they have given, just write it. Shekhar given quarter of its sweets. Quarter is nothing but 1/4 of the sweets Shekhar has given to Raji. That means x/4 of the sweets he has given, and after that 5 sweets to Raji, and 5 sweets he has given to Raji, and after that how many sweets he has left? He has left with 7 sweets. If you add these values, you will get the total number of sweets. So here what they have given, here you need to find the total number of sweets, and they have given that the quarter of the sweets that he has given to Raji, that means x/4 of the sweets he has given, and 5 sweets he has given to Renu, and 7 sweets are left. So if you add this one, you will get the total number of sweets. That means you need to find the x value based on this condition. So how do you solve here? X/4. What is the value of 5 plus 7, which gives you 12, is equal to 7. Now what you can do? Take all the x values to one side. So what you will get here? Take the LCM. You will get 4x minus 3x by 4. At this step you can do it. What you will get here? X/4 is equal to 12. If you take 4 to this side, it will become multiplication. You will get x is equal to 12 into 4, which gives you 48. So how many sweets he has? 48. Like this you can find it. And from this chapter is completed. In the next session we are going to start the new chapter, which is quadrilaterals.